Y'all already know what I'm having to drink, goddamn me. Grapes, both kinds. My pears right here. Oh yeah. And yes, these are canned pears. I normally cut my pears up from scratch. But I'm being a little lazy tonight. I just got back in town, so I'm doing everything the lazy way. Am I the only one that dig in the bag and eat grapes and eat the whole damn bag before you actually do what you intending to do with them? Every time I tend to fill up this blender with grapes, and by the time I get done doing that, I've been ate the whole damn bag. Am I the only one that do that? Got me some fresh grapes in there real quick, okay? God damn me. Alright, now right here in my kitchen, about to go and make it happen. So as you can see, I got my grapes in there. I'm finna add my pears, and I always add my pears with the juice. Oh yeah, man, this straight about to be straight butter and well fine. I'm gonna take it down through there. I add me less than half a cup of milk, cold ice water, a cup of that as well, goddamn me. And the reason why I add the milk, because also I love milk and it's healthy for you, but it also give it that creamy taste once it's blended up. Now, few people may look at this and say gross. To each his own. I love it, and it's also all fruit. It's very good for you. And don't judge it until you try it. So let me pause this real quick and so I can start the blending process to go with this good plate right here. Oh yeah. That's the finished product right there. This is about to be straight yummy. Pears, green grape, purple grape. A little milk and a little water, ice cold water at that. I make me want to drink now and put me one in the freezer, goddamn me. That's what you call a nice, nutritious, healthy fruit beverage. I don't care what you say about it, it's delicious, and not only is it good, it's healthy for you. The most important thing, I'm going to say that again, it's healthy for you. So I'm going to go ahead and eat and drink. And yeah, yummy. Goddamn me.